so professional but so laid back. You feel part of a family. Makes it a very, very special trip indeed.
Everything has just been really, really top notch.
We've been incredibly well looked after.
They've been an extension of our family.
The food's been wonderful.
Beautifully, beautifully put together.
And this is just a wonderful resort.
You ski in, ski out, the boot room's amazing with 3 kids, you know, gloves, helmets, poles, it's just a nightmare, but it hasn't felt like a nightmare at all here.
The kids feel like they've been away with not just us, but with all the staff here as well.
What I've experienced over the last kind of 4 days or so has been world-class service.